Try to remove all the synthetic keys from the model.
Remove system key and timestamps present in the tables. Remove the field in model which is not used. Remove unneeded snowflake tables by consolidating using apply map or join, etc. Break or split concatenated dimensional fields into distinct fields. Remove linked tables from large data models, instead use concatenation of tables. Use integer field as key to join the tables, example IDs and numbers. Use auto-number function to create key instead of using large concatenated keys.
For more tips and tricks, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.